Good morning guys, this is the current affairs session for 12th November 2019. Here the important current affairs as per the Apsc and Upsc exam point of view are selected and presented to you. And also guys, one GK session is being started. The link for the same is given in the description box. So guys, if this is the first time you are watching this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, because that will motivate me for making more such videos that will be helpful for preparing for the Apsc and Upsc examinations. Okay guys, one question will be asked at the end of the video, for which you need to comment your answer. So guys, watch this video till the end. So let's start today's session. Today's first current affair is that the Sanskrit Bharti Vishwa Sammelan has been started in New Delhi. Second, the SCO, that is Shanghai Cooperation Organization, comprises of 8 member states, namely the Republic of India, the Republic of Kazakhstan, the People's Republic of China, the Kyrgyz Republic, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, the Russian Federation, the Republic of Tajikistan, and the Republic of Uzbekistan. Do remember these 8 member states of SCO, many times asked in the examinations. Okay. Next, the government has approved setting up 4 medical device parks in the country. It aims to support the Make in India initiative. It will also provide world-class products at affordable prices for treatment. And these 4 parks will be set up in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Next, National Education Day is celebrated on 11th November in India, and this day aims to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Next, Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi released the Assamese version of the book Courts of India in Guwahati on 10th November 2019. Courts of India. Okay. Next, the 27th Conference of Central and State Statistical Organization, that is COCSSO, is being held at Calcutta, West Bengal, and it is being held from 11th to 12th November 2019 and was inaugurated by Professor Bimal K. Roy, Chairman of National Statistical Commission. Next, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that is MOEFCC, plans to organize a mass cleanliness cum awareness drive in 50 identified beaches under the Swachh Nirmal Tat Abhiyan. The ministry will award the best 3 beaches along with a certificate of appreciations for all the participating eco clubs. Next, the 11th BRIC Summit has been scheduled to be held in Brasilia in Brazil from 13 November 2019. Okay. Next, World Science Day for Peace and Development was observed on 10 November every year. Try to remember the date. 10 November, World Science Day for National Education Day. Okay. So guys, these are the top most important current affair for today's session. Now coming to the today's question from last class. And today's question is ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, approves fill in the blank for power and transmission expansion in Bangladesh. Option A, $300 million. Option B, $200 million. And option C, $250 million. Option D, none of the above. So you need to comment your answer, and I will of course respond to those comments. So guys, have a nice day. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care and bye bye.